pond we skimboard in all the time has a baby alligator in it right now. So I gotta go get it.
Just dive on top of them, exactly.
I got you. No, real slow, they should vibration.
Oh, that was big.
Exclusive.
You got it.
Get him, get him! Back up! Luke, back up!
Stop, back up. Back up.
Watch out, y'all, the dog, the dog! Get the dog out of here!
Got him. Stop, dude. I'm gonna get
Watch try to reel it in!
back up.
Luke! Watch Luke!
Luke, back up.
I haven't. Let go of the string, Luke.
Get him all the way on the grass.
Watch your fingers.
Got him.
Alligator!
Oh yeah, got him through the tongue.
Oh my God, Luke.
Luke, you caught it? You caught it, Jude, on the thing?
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Gator bait. My God.
Luke, don't you let that thing bite you.
Here, get the bait out of his mouth.
Yeah.
Hey, I caught a gator.
Just grabbed on his tongue.
Yeah.
Give you some pliers.
No, don't put your hand in it.
Go. Back up, Daisy.
Take it in the mouth.
Here.
You gotta go the same way to put hook, dude. Back up.
It's on his
Let's see
tongue.
if I can have
It's on his tongue.
Why would you bite a paddle, dude?
You ain't.
Hold it like that with the other side. Bro's gonna need some stitches after this.
Hold him.
You got it?
Yeah.
There you go.
All right, good job. Hey, Graham, do you have electrical tape?
In my truck, dude.
Well, that's the first one of
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
2024.
Don't jerk that.
Okay, that's enough. No,
Don't make him mad.
you know what? Hold on. Catch and release, check.
Hold him tight.
They don't do it when they're small. Would you expect them to go? Oh, there you go. Graham, obviously he's a professional. You don't want to bite the
Try
leaf.
with finger instead.
It's working right to you.